Welcome back to Caravan Nest, the channel where we take you inside the world's most incredible motorhomes, luxury RVs, and futuristic designs on wheels. If you love travel, adventure, and exploring the road in absolute style, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something truly spectacular, the most expensive RV motorhome in the entire world. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving five-star mansion, a luxury palace on wheels that redefines what travel can look like. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this RV costs more than most houses and why it continues to amaze everyone who sees it. So grab a seat, buckle up, and let's begin this full tour of the most luxurious RV money can buy. The motorhome we're touring today is the Marchi mobile EleMMent model Palazzo Superior. Yes, that's a mouthful, but the name alone hints at its futuristic, almost space-age design. This isn't your average camper van, it's a vehicle that costs an eye-watering $3 million. That's right, $3 million for an RV. To put that into perspective, you could buy a supercar, a private yacht, or even a luxury penthouse for that price. But the Palazzo Superior isn't trying to be just one of those, it's all of them combined. Its design is so futuristic that it looks like a spaceship landed on the highway. Smooth curves, panoramic windows, aerodynamic bodywork, and a commanding presence on the road, this motorhome doesn't just travel, it announces itself. Let's start on the outside. The Palazzo Superior is built on a high-performance Volvo chassis, giving it strength, stability, and the ability to handle its massive size. Measuring over 40 feet in length and 13 feet tall, this motorhome is basically a two-story mansion rolling down the highway. The exterior features a glossy white finish with chrome accents, giving it the look of a futuristic yacht. And speaking of yachts, you'll notice design elements that feel more like luxury ships than land vehicles.
But here's where it gets even more impressive. The roof transforms into a sky lounge. Yes, the upper deck actually rises hydraulically, creating a private rooftop terrace, complete with lounge seating, mood lighting, and 360-degree views of your surroundings. Imagine parking this on a beach, in the mountains, or at a racetrack. The experience would be unforgettable. Now, let's walk through the automatic glass entry doors and step inside. The interior of the Palazzo Superior is where the price tag starts to make sense. The design blends modern minimalism with high-end luxury. Think marble floors, Italian leather seating, ambient LED lighting, and handcrafted woodwork. The living room is spacious with two full-size couches, a giant smart TV, and panoramic windows that let natural light flood in. At night, the built-in lighting system transforms the entire space into a cozy, atmospheric lounge. The attention to detail is astonishing. Every seat is temperature-controlled and equipped with a massage function. You don't just sit, you relax in style. Moving on, we arrive at the kitchen, which is fully equipped like a luxury apartment. It comes with a full-size refrigerator, a convection oven, induction cooktops, a wine chiller, and of course, custom storage with soft-close drawers. This kitchen isn't about camping convenience, it's about gourmet living. Whether you're cooking for two or entertaining guests, everything feels like a high-end restaurant on wheels. Next up, the bathroom. And trust me, this is not your typical cramped RV bathroom. The Palazzo Superior features a spa-like bathroom with a rainfall shower, backlit mirrors, high-end fixtures, and even heated flooring. Every detail screams comfort. This isn't just functional, it's indulgent. You could honestly forget you're inside a vehicle while standing here. It feels like a luxury hotel suite.
And now for the crown jewel, the master bedroom. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the king-size bed, framed with ambient lighting and wrapped in premium bedding. But here's the kicker. The mattress is custom-made by the same company that supplies the beds for the royal family of England. Yes, you heard that right. You're sleeping like royalty on the road. The bedroom also features large wardrobes, a personal entertainment system, and even a small desk area for working while traveling. Privacy is enhanced with noise-canceling insulation, making the bedroom feel completely separate from the rest of the motorhome. But what about the driver's seat? After all, this is still a motorhome. The cockpit looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. With a panoramic windshield, digital displays, and leather captain's chairs, driving this RV is an experience in itself. The cockpit also doubles as a lounge area when parked, thanks to rotating seats that integrate seamlessly into the living space. Remember when I mentioned the rooftop terrace? Let's go back to that for a moment, because it's one of the Palazzo's most iconic features. At the press of a button, the roof lifts up, expanding into a full sky lounge. You get stylish seating, a minibar, and enough room to host a small party or simply relax under the stars. This feature alone makes the Palazzo feel more like a super yacht than an RV. Imagine watching a sunset, enjoying a drink, or even hosting a private gathering, all from your motorhome rooftop.
Of course, no multi-million-dollar RV would be complete without cutting-edge technology. The Palazzo Superior includes a fully integrated smart home system. With a tablet or voice control, you can manage lighting, temperature, blinds, and entertainment, and even security cameras. It also comes with satellite internet, a high-end audio system, and climate control that adapts to your environment. Everything is designed to give you comfort at the touch of a button. At this point, you might be wondering, why does this RV cost $3 million? The answer lies in the combination of luxury, exclusivity, and design innovation. There are only a handful of these ever made, each one tailored to its owner's preferences. You're not just buying an RV, you're buying a custom-built luxury mansion that moves. It's also about status. For celebrities, billionaires, and royalty, owning the world's most expensive RV is a statement. It's a way of saying, I don't just travel, I travel better than anyone else. So there you have it, a full tour of the most expensive RV motorhome in the world, the Marchi Mobile EleMMent Palazzo Superior. From its futuristic exterior to its royal-worthy bedroom, rooftop sky lounge, and state-of-the-art technology, this motorhome is the ultimate blend of mobility and luxury. For most of us, this is a dream machine we may never step inside, but just knowing it exists pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the world of travel. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Caravan Nest, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next adventure into the world of luxury motorhomes. And now I want to hear from you. If money were no object, would you buy the Palazzo Superior, or would you rather spend $3 million on something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep traveling in style.